Buccaneers. Today we're going to check out Unmatched Digital Edition. This game is available on Steam, and Unmatched is one of my favorite game series ever because there are so many bosses that they come out with, such as Bigfoot, Robin Hood, or Medusa. Today we're going to be playing the digital edition of Unmatched Battle of Legends Volume 1. And the heroes for this set are King Arthur, Medusa, Alice, and Sinbad. Now let's take a look at the game. There's Little Red. That's my favorite character of Unmatched, I think. Oh, and Beowulf. Wow, this is so cool. I want to just watch these. Okay. Right now there's some music, which I really like, and also they're doing a little presentation of all the Unmatched characters and their cards. Okay, anyway, so over here on local games, there's a new battle or a tutorial. There's also online games if you want to create your own lobby so you can play with your own friends. And there's also account settings. Where's my collections? No, okay. Let's go to local games and let's just do new battle. So over here we got Alice, King Arthur, Medusa, and Sinbad, which are all the Battle of Legends Volume 1 characters. Select. AI, you can be a random hero. Easy, medium, hard. I want the hard. Random map. I think they have Sarpendon and Memorial as their maps, probably, since those are the Battle of Legends Volume 1 maps. Yep, Sarpendon and then Memorial's the other one, right? I believe it's just those. Yeah, that's it. Let's do Memorial. Okay, confirm. Random hero. Great. Start. Oh, great. They were Alice. Dude, I want anyone but Alice. And they start to be... Oh, I think they start to... Okay, so Alice started as big. That means they got +2 for attacks. Oh, this is so nice. You can watch the playthrough by clicking on the link in the description. And that was Unmatched Battle of Legends Volume 1 Digital Edition. I like how you actually get to see the minifigures up close. And also the main thing about the digital version is that you can play with anyone around the world. Or you can also play with AI if you have no one in your family that wants to play with you right now. The Unmatched graphics are pretty good. If you set up the Unmatched board in real life, the setup looks basically exactly the same. So they did a good job on basically doing that. I'm basically making it look the exact same as how you'll usually do it. I like for the AI how you can do 2v2 or 1v1. And also you can choose the fighter of who you are or the AI is. And also there are 3 different difficulties. The sound effects are pretty good. They have a Medusa voice, King Arthur voice, Sinbad voice, and Alice voice. The music is also very good. It's very joyful and fighty-ish. Today we played the early release version, but when the game actually comes out, they're going to add Little Red and Beowulf. That's why you saw Little Red and Beowulf on the opening screen when it showed the music and there were characters going down and down. I hope it comes out on the iPad too. And later on they're going to release Season 1, which has Bigfoot, Robin Hood, Invisible Man, Sherlock, Dracula, and Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. And that's it for Unmatched Digital Edition. If this game looks fun to you, you can download it at the link in the description. Bye!